Hi guys, so I have here the Viofo A129 Dashcam. It's a dashcam for my car. I've already unboxed it and installed it, and I've been using it for like 2 weeks now. So instead of talking much about the packaging, I think we'll go straight to my car and I can show you the setup, and then I can tell you guys more about it. On a different note, I know I haven't made a video in years, so let's hope that this is a small first step towards getting back to regular videos. So all right, let's head over to the car and I'm gonna show you more about this thing. So here is the Viofo A129. I'm sorry it's a bit too bright outside, but it is a very small unit. It has a very nice display. You can control a lot of the things directly over here. The 3 lights show 1 that it's recording, 2 that the Wi-Fi connection is on, so we can control it from our infotainment, as I'm just about to show you, and then 3 that it's also recording audio. You can stop recording, and then you can also go into settings and mess around with it and change various variables as one would like. The settings will not allow you to mess it up on the camera when it is connected to your infotainment. So I'm just gonna do the infotainment connection just now. And there we have a live view of the camera through my infotainment system. So through here I can start and stop recording. I can also go into the settings and change the various aspects. The beep is because it is not recording. Actually, we can do that right now, and I can remove the setting for the beeping just for the video right now. Notification sounds, and then I will put them all off. The beeping is gone away. So through here I can change the various aspects of the camera. I can change its name. I have added details such as my car registration number to it. It takes 1080p at 60 fps or 1080p at 30 fps. There's a front one and there's a rear one that's mounted on my rear window, as you can see over there. I think I'm gonna go later and give you guys like a cleaner shot. But yeah, that's it. So let me just drive around a bit and give you guys some shots of how the thing works in daytime and in nighttime. And yeah, if you want to get it, I got it off Amazon. I can't remember exactly how much it cost, but I'm going to put the amount somewhere in the description and also in the video right here. And then if you're interested, you can get it for yourself. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching the video. I know I haven't done a video in like forever, but let's hope this is a first step towards more videos coming in future. Alright.
Seriously single.
Seriously single and such.
Who you?
Single somehow.
Kwa nini?
Why else? Someone who's single and happy would not post that they are single and happy. Someone who's single and happy and posts is single and unhappy and actively searching. If I was single and happy, I have no business telling people I'm single and happy, and I should just be single and happy.
Yeah.